Hey guys, thank you for almost 50 subscribers on this channel. You guys are insane. You guys seem to really enjoy the $1 Nokia Lumia video, which thank you by the way. I really appreciate you guys. Anyways, this video is about the iPod and why it's still actually a really good device today. So in a world full of streaming services and everything, you want to use your phone for everything, right? Streaming music, playing games, watching videos, stuff like that. However, when you're listening to music, you get interrupted by calls, and you don't really want that when you're listening to music. And yes, Spotify is a really good option. You could pay for premium, but why pay for premium when you can just load songs onto one device and not get interrupted by advertisements at all? Which is why I think iPods are still a really good solution in 2023. These little doodads are still really useful, and I really enjoy using them. Okay, this iPod mini is dead, really? Oh, really? Come on, man, I literally just charged you, what? Yeah, that's something you're gonna have to deal with a 19-year-old battery. But yeah, iPods work fantastically, and you're only gonna listen to your music. And if someone calls you, it'll be on that device, not this one. No one can interrupt your music when you're listening to this, unless of course someone like yanks your headphones when you're listening. It's also really freaking easy to get a song onto one of these iPods. A, through the iTunes music store. B, through, I don't know, downloading through some like weird website, but I don't really recommend that. Or C, just download an MP3 from YouTube. I mean, hey, that's what I do. The thing is that you can have a separate device to enjoy yourself with. If you want to listen to music, this is the device to get to listen to music. You're not blasted by notifications or alerts and stuff like that. You can just listen to your music peacefully. The moral of the story is you don't have to have everything on one device. You could have two and still live a good life. If you want to have everything on one device, that's great, but I think the majority of people don't like their music being interrupted by calls and alarms and alerts and everything, so having another device to play music on its own is still a good idea. This thing doesn't only just play music, this plays TV shows, movies, and anything that you want to sync onto it. I should probably find a way to sync like the Chuckle Sandwich podcast on it or something. And yeah, that's pretty much where I'm going with that. So if you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you leave a like and also subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.